All right, guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to talk to you about my road to monetization. So, if you don't remember, in the beginning, I first made this YouTube channel. I was trying to get it monetized, trying to figure out how to make money off of my YouTube channel. So, I figured out three main ways to make YouTube money. So, first thing first is the Amazon Associates Program. So the Amazon Associates Program is basically you have a YouTube channel, you have products that you use in the videos, you put those in the link below. When people click on the link and they buy it, you get a commission. So that's been doing me pretty well. So let me show you how much money I've made in the last couple weeks or months since I've started it. So in these last couple months, since I started it, I've made this much money. So in January, $22. This is the first month that I actually started doing my YouTube, and this is what gave me so much confidence. First month I got into the program, I signed up. You can sign up going right to their website. So, it's just the Amazon Associates. So, Amazon Associates Program. So all you do is type in Amazon Associates Program, sign up, and you can sign up right here at the link. You can get your Amazon Associates up and going in about like 2 seconds or, about 20 minutes of work. The main thing you have to do to get into the program is basically sell 3 items in your first 90 days, which really isn't that hard, but it could be difficult for a person that is just getting started, doesn't have a following, and I can totally understand that. But a lot of YouTubers, the first thing they do is they put their equipment in their description. Hey, this is the equipment I use to record the video. So start off with that. Maybe you'll get lucky, and get into the program. But it's very easy. Once you get started you're in, and you just keep things going. You just constantly push out content. People, may or may not click on your link. And the one advantage of Amazon Associates against the other types of income is sometimes someone can click on my link for, one thing. They might click on my link for like a cup, but they don't end up buying a cup, but they buy the shirt. I still get commissions on that shirt that they bought, even though they clicked on my link for a cup. So just keep that in mind. But first month, $22. Second month, $316. I made a video about the 360 photo booth, and a lot of people have been buying the 360 photo booth, and I've been making a commission. So it's been awesome, giving out information, to help everyone out, and also making a commission on the side. It's been, very heartwarming for me, because it goes both ways. I'm helping you guys are helping me. So it's been awesome. March, not so hot, but hey, some money came in. April went up again, May went up again, and now we're in June. Now it's only been a couple days, so as you can see, it's only June 4th. So, we're only a couple days in it, but I'm very excited that, my program, Amazon program, has been going through. Now, the next program that I'm in, that you guys might be a little bit surprised about, I just got in maybe like a week or two, a week and a half I've been in the program, and it is called the Amazon Influencer Program. The Amazon Influencer Program. So I've been in this program for like, I don't know, maybe a week or two. Like it's like the last week of May and the first week of June. But I've already made $17 and $60. A bulk of this money came from another video about the 360 booth again, but it was just on Amazon Influencer. So let me show you guys what Amazon Influencer is. So if I go to Amazon.com, right? And let's say I click on a product. So I click on maybe, let's do like this power bank. So I click on this power bank, and as you can see, there's a bunch of photos right here showing the product. And at the bottom, there's videos. Now, if you make a product video about this and upload it as an Amazon influencer, you have to get into the program first. But after you get into the program, as long as someone watches 30 seconds of your video over here, you'll get a commission. So it makes things a lot simpler. Now you're not trying to convince people from YouTube to go over to Amazon and buy something. Now it's all in one place. So now here's someone on Amazon already looking at this power bank, already thinking about buying it, and all they have to do is watch my video review for about 30 seconds or more, and now I get a commission. So it's a easier way to make money off of Amazon. The commissions do seem like they're a little bit lower than doing it the Amazon Associates way, but think about it. You make a 1 minute to 30-second video, and now your work's done. So how many products can you do? There's people out there with hundreds and thousands of products that they have already done. and made videos for, and they make a nice amount of money off of it. But based off of what I have so far, right now I have like 16 to 20 products out, product videos out. I made 17 that last week, and this month, only 4 days in, I've already made $60. So I gotta say, it's not too bad so far. Last thing, and the most proud thing, is that I had just got monetized on YouTube. So I got monetized on YouTube maybe the 28th of May. So it's only been like literally, guys, like maybe just a week. But I'm so proud that I've already made $13. And this month so far I've only made $10. But I'm very happy, man. Like, I gotta admit to you guys, like, this is the most money I've ever made on YouTube. I've never monetized before, So with that being said, I know you guys might be looking at it like, oh, it's just now started. But think about it, guys. This is $10 every day that I get for the rest of my life. As long as, say it averaged out to be like $10 a day. Or something like that, $5 a day, or whatever it is. If it was $10 a day, that's the new goal I'm trying to get up to. But this $10 for the last, 4 days? And 2 of these days aren't even accurate because it's the weekend, so they don't show monetizations during the weekend. So really, it's about $5 a day. But guys, if I make $5 a day equals 5 times 365. Yeah, so if I made $5 a day for the next year, that's $1,825. Who doesn't want an extra almost $2,000 in their account just for making YouTube videos? You know what I mean? So it's not a lot right there, but once I put that in my my financial things I'm trying to make, it'll be good. I'm thinking for a Roth IRA. I don't know how many of you guys know about this, but for a Roth IRA, which is an investment, it's how you make your investment accounts it's an investment account that you don't get taxed on. It has a $6,000 limit that you can add to it every year. It could be more or less depending on how the tax code has changed. I haven't been paying attention. I think it might be 65 now. But think about it. Now, some of that money from YouTube can go right here. This could be a passive thing that automatically goes into my retirement account every month, every year, without me having to worry about it, without me having to actively go try and make that happen. So that's one thing I'm really proud of. I can't wait for this YouTube to pop off. I can't wait for the influencer program to pop off and show me how much money you can really make. I've already seen some of what the Amazon associates can do, but it is based on how many videos I've made. So, I'm just happy to see everything working, and I want to show you like the summary of how much everything costs. So, how much everything I've made for each month. So this is how much I made for each month. Obviously, some of these months are similar, but this is where it's starting to vary depending on how much money I've made from each thing. And the main thing I want to show you is since I started in January, from January to June 4th to be specific, I have made $1,054.64. So guys, I gotta say I'm very proud of myself. I know this might not be a lot of game-changing money to someone, but for someone who just started on YouTube, I started with maybe 11 subscribers. I did have like 1 or 2 YouTube video channels up, but to go from January all the way to June to finally get monetized, finally figure about this Amazon Associates program. So I was getting paid the first month, the second month, the third month of me starting my YouTube channel journey. And then the Amazon influencer program being the new hotness I can add on top of that. These things are looking to really help me out in my situation and really try to put me out there as a content creator that really can live off his content. So that's the goal. I know this video is kind of confusing, but I think some people wanted to see, and I think this is good documentation for me to look at a month from now. I can't wait to come back and look at everything in July and see where things are really at. I feel like this is where I can really see how much my work has really affected my pay. So with that being said, thanks to you guys for watching, and I hope you guys will check out the next one. Peace.